In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a submission form in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then you see this massive list of widgets that you can pick from. I want you to focus on the forms section in the middle of the screen, and then I want you to click on Form Builder. That will then take you to the online Form Builder widgets page. From here, I want you to click on Create Widget for Free, and that will take you down to the form template section. So as you can see on the left hand side, you have over 300 different submission form templates they can choose from, and then on the right hand side you have a fully interactive live preview of what the selected form would feel like on your Wix website. Bear in mind that this here is for desktop. If you click on the mobile icon right here at the top right corner of the screen, you'll also get a mobile preview of it as well. Now keep in mind that these forms are fully customizable both in terms of design and functionality, so don't worry about the initial look just yet. What I recommend you to do is to browse through the different submission form templates that you can see right here and choose the one that best suits your needs. In my case, I'm going to go for a contact form like this, and then I want you to click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we can start customizing your submission form to your liking. So the first thing you want to do is build out the form. On the left hand side here, as you can see, I have 6 different fields. So you have the first name here, the last name, and then here are the fields on the form itself. You can move these around like that if you wanted to. You can go ahead and also delete or edit them or even duplicate them if that's relevant for you. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and edit this one, and then I'll just say name instead of first name, and then I'll just delete the last name section. If you want to add an additional field here, click on that field and then choose one of these fields. In my case, I'll go for a file because I want people to be able to attach something to the contact form. Then you can obviously go ahead and customize the added field to your liking, then click on done once you're ready. At the bottom here, you also see header, submit button, footer, and success message. These are some more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your submission form. So for example, if you go to header here, we can actually change pretty much anything in the header, which is this section right here on the top. You can add the cover image, you can add the logo, you can change the alignment of the text just like that. Or if you wanted to, you can even go ahead and hide the header in general. In my case, I'll keep it as it is. Now, if you want to build out a completely unique submission form, what you can do is also take advantage of Elfsight's AI form generator. As you can see, it's currently in beta. So click on generate form right here, and all you have to do is describe the type of form that you're looking for, and then click on generate. Below this button here, you can see there's a bunch of instructions that you can follow that will help you set this up properly. Now, once you are done with building out your submission form, on the left hand side here, you also see email, layout, appearance, settings, and integrations. These are some more customizations they can also take advantage of to further customize your submission form. So for example, if you go to appearance right here, currently the color scheme is light. I want to change to dark mode just like that because it looks much better. I think it will stand out on my Wix website more. You can also change the accent color. At the moment it's this pinkish color. You can change to yellow like that, orange, or any of the other colors right here. I can change the overall style of the form. I can change individual elements like the background, the header, the form fields, etc. I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can take advantage of here. I'll leave this up to you to explore. The last one I want to touch upon is the layout. By default, you will have chosen the inline embed type, which basically allows you to position the submission form anywhere you want on your Wix website. However, you can also have it as a floating pane on the right hand side or the left hand side for that matter of the screen, and if you just close it down like this, it will be like a little button like this on the bottom that will basically scroll with the user throughout your entire Wix website. In my case though, I'm going to stick with the inline option, and then once you're ready with building out and customizing your submission form, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. That will then save up your widget and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to publish it. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button. Go ahead, click on that, and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for the free plan right here. As you can see, it supports up to 1 widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Do bear in mind that it does come with some Elfsight branding, which you can get rid of by subscribing to any of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options you can choose from, and they also come with a lot more functionalities. So even the basic plan right here allows you to use up to 3 widgets from Elfsight on your Wix Wix website instead of just one, and you can also get up to 5,000 views on the widgets themselves. And also, if you subscribe annually to any of the plans, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for the submission form widget that we just created. Here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor, and I want you to go on the page and the section where you want to add your submission form to. In my case, I want it on the home page right here, and I want it on the top here, near the top of the website itself. I'm going to highlight this first column, and then I'm going to click on the top right corner of the screen where it says search right here, and then I want you to search for HTML, and then wait for this to load. Underneath add to site, you'll see this embed button. Click on it, and then on the left hand side, that's going to open up a new window. Underneath popular embeds, I want you to click on embed HTML, and what that's going to do is add this HTML block to your Wix website. From here, simply paste the code that you just copied previously from Elfsight. Make sure that this here is set to code, and then click on update. Give it a couple of seconds, and then you will see your submission form added to your Wix website. What you have to do now is go ahead and resize it accordingly. There it is. And if you just go ahead and preview it, we will just take a look at what it looks like. Here it is, as you can see, fully interactive. I can click around, submit it. This down here is the little Elfsight branding that I talked about that you will get with the free plan. If that's too much of a bother for you, you can easily just remove it by subscribing to one of the premium plans, and it will automatically be removed. But yeah, that's pretty much, and that's how to create a submission form in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.